Hey guys, so I just want to give you a heads up that I'm working on bringing you a rotary engine breakdown video. I'm going to start with a completely assembled rotary engine and take it apart down to the very last pieces. I used to have an RX-8. Unfortunately, I got rid of it. Well, whenever I got rid of it, I had a spare engine that was in it when I bought it, and the guy had no interest in it. It ran, but it made a knocking sound. It was in the car whenever I bought it many years back, and I've always wondered what was causing that knocking sound. If you know anything about rotary engines, you'll understand why this is sort of intriguing. Anyways, I'll explain more about that later. Just keep a lookout for that. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to hopefully fix the dimmer switch in my 2005 GMC Sierra. Today I'm going to show you how to take that apart and fix it, and hopefully it works. That's the best I can hope out of anything I attempt to fix, is that the end product is working again. So anyways, let's get started. Okay guys, so basically what it's doing is, this is all the way up right now, and if I lightly touch the turn knob for it, I can tap on it a little bit. There, yeah. I can also hit the dash sometimes, and I assure you I'm not touching this knob. I'm sure you've probably seen this before. And since it's all the way across the dash, not just like one particular set of lights, it's more than likely not the light bulbs. So anyways, I'm going to take this out. I'm actually going to skip the cinematics and jump straight to taking it apart inside. It's raining outside, guys. I'm sorry. I don't have my equipment out here. Alright guys, I got it put back in. Moment of truth. Well, I was just playing. I got it. So, just messing around. Here you go. Goes up and down all nice and smooth. And does not go out anymore. That's good. Alright. Alright guys, there you have it. That was how to repair the dimmer switch in your typical 03 to 06 GMC, Chevrolet, Cadillac trucks. As you saw, I just had to clean the contacts with some rubbing alcohol, and that fixed it right up. Anyways, like this video, subscribe, share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.